Now let's see how to do a mail merge in Microsoft Office for Mac. There's a little bit of difference from the Windows version. So let's see how you do that. So what I have here, I've got a text for my mail merge demo here. Okay, this is just a generic text, but there's some things that I want to insert the merged information into. So I've got like first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, and I've got some things down in here to remind me, okay, here's where I want to put things. So this is my main text that I've done, and I've indicated there, where I'm going to put the merged fields in. I also have an Excel document that looks like this. I've got a first name, last name, the grade, an address, a city, state, and zip. By the way, when you do mail merges with addresses, you really should separate these items out here. Address, city, state, zip. Have them in separate columns. Okay, there's some things that will make your life a lot easier if you just get in that habit. Same thing with names. If you have first and last name in separate fields, that makes things a lot easier. So anyway, there's my data. I'm going to put this data in that other document. So here's how you do this in Word for Mac. Okay, you go up here to the Tools menu, go down here to Mailmerge Manager. Okay, so first thing it says, you see this kind of walks you through what you do. So first step, create new. We're doing form letters. That's just technically what it is. We're not doing any of the others, so form letters. And it just assumes, okay, this is the current document you're using. Now we need to select the recipients list. That's who it's going to. That was that Excel document. So I'm going to click here on Get List. I'm opening a data source. Okay, it's not a new one. That would be if I were creating something brand new. I'm opening one because I've got that list already. Click Open, and you navigate to the place where you have it. And here it is here, Names for Mail Merge. Click that. It'll give you a warning like this. And then it'll ask you to open the workbook, and basically you can just leave those defaults alone. Click OK. Now you notice over here it has put placeholders. These are the columns that are in your Excel spreadsheet. First, last, grade, address, city, and then there's state and zip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace what I have over here with these fields. So here's first name. Let's delete that, and instead I'm going to move first right there. Okay. Now I need to add a space because you want a space between the first and the last name. So we'll add a space there. Then we will delete the last name, move last over here. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing now with the address. Put the address here. Now the city, put the city in there. Notice I've left a comma right here because you want a comma after the city and before the state. Okay, now we'll put the state here. Okay, I need a space. Then I'm going to have the zip. Okay, now I've got the header. Now down here I wanted to put the first name in this space. So delete that. Let's drag first over here. And again, be sure there's a space after that and before the next word in the text. Okay. Now I've got one here for last name. Let's move that. Put last name here. Okay, I need to have a space in there. Okay, here's first name again. And so we just drag that over, hit the space bar. Down here I want the grade. Okay, so I'm going to delete that, drag the grade in here, hit the space bar. Okay, now those are my fields. Okay, you can have as many or as few as you want. but that tells, okay, I'm going to substitute these things in there. Now, if I wanted just to send it to some recipients, here's filter recipients. But let's look down here at preview results. If you click this, view merge data, it's going to show you what it looks like after it puts your information in. So you see up here's first name, last name, address, city, state, zip. Here's the first name there, there's the first name, here's the grade level. Over here, there was the last name. Okay, so you see how all that looks. And if you click here, you can kind of cycle through those. This was the first record, here's the second record. Notice it's changed things around. Here's the third record. Okay, so you can see, all right, that looks right. Now, complete merge. You can merge it to a printer. So if you're connected to a printer, it'll go straight to the printer. You can merge it to a new document. That will make a new Word document that has all of the information in it. It'll have a page for each person. So I'm going to do that. I'll click that. Now you notice that what I have here are 3 pages, one for each person that I had in my list. Okay. And then if I wanted to, I could save that. And in fact, for this assignment, that's what you'll do. You'll save this document and submit it to me. So that's how you do a mail merge in Word for Mac.